King Rap on the track. Here we go again, we go again. It's time smoking, smoking. It gets to your brain. Makes you go insane. Here we go again with another episode. When the ball is rolling, the smokers explode. All them suckers that be smoking on the corpse, all them suckers that be choking on the corpse. When I'm playing ball, I can smell what you thought was a good idea, but you smokers hit the next. Why the heck you think that stuff's illegal? Turn you from your parents, make your mind evil. Listen up, you people stopping me from getting fit. Stop us ballers making hits because you know we got it. If you don't like this message and you're lippy with your lips, this is your only life and chance to be legitimate. To give it up would be incredible. And then imbeciles will start to flee when they see you. Step back to play, go shoot some threes, slam dunk the hoop with my ball crew. We're going to make it to the top level, so turn the treble up another notch and we'll make you sit there and start to dribble. Writing these lyrics and the flows that we kick will make you dizzy on the spot and make you think this is a trick. We getting started, are you ready now? Walk in the room with a bottle full of Deep Spring, I'm getting down. See all these people rolling by my side, feeling the vibe as I creep up to a pretty girl from behind. Baby, baby, I take her from her hand and say, you're getting played from the people, turn the other way. No intermission was so hardly set. I see you moving the way, she's playing hard to get. I take my mind off the woman, as you can see, he's rolling up another tight fat. He's puffing hard on the trees, but seeing those is his mind state. Smoking that marijuana, stuffing up his already. He's eating dope cake, looks like he's gonna spew, we better run. Before he started smoking, he was having fun, but now he's losing it, he's gonna chuck up. If you can see it in his eyes, you know he's getting stuffed up. Our man, he better pack up and go and never sleep. Instead he starts vomiting and spitting big chunks of meat. Alright, that's all over, step back into the crowd. Notice the sounds weren't pumping, so I turned it up loud. Everybody is still raging, having a pretty good time. Then I see a pretty chick on me, yup, she was mine. Her body's looking interesting, she's making me sweat. Dropping my bottle on the ground, butterflies on my chest. Getting closer and closer, my mind was fading away. Thinking of a sexy line that will make her my day. You're so beautiful, girl, the way your hair's in the swirl. I'm going to make you my woman because you're rocking my world. Interested in the way you walk, give me some sugar, manipulating my attention just to come in and do you. Don't take your clothes off, wait a minute, come back and drink. I wanna get a little hype with this Deep Spring up on the sink. You play around with the ball, let's get plunged. We'll get you running from the rubber bands for your butts. Go wait a minute, come and sit down and talk. It's how you walking with the chickens or you fly with the horse. Quit standing in the doorway, baby, come and grab you a seat. Sit at the table with me, hold on and grab you a drink. What was it you like? The big pipe and a bag of trees. Sorry I don't have any, but I got these Spring. Watch as I twist the bottle open and we start to resume. Fizzy drinking till your torso make your body go boom. And after that we can go zoom zoom under the moon.